In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table in Coda. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a clean, ready-to-use table to any page in your document using Coda's quick slash command. This process is simple and consistent, and I'll explain each step so you know what to expect as you go. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Coda website. Any modern browser works well, and starting on the site ensures you're using the most up-to-date interface. If you have multiple tabs open, it helps to keep Coda front and center so you can follow along smoothly. Next, sign into your account. You'll use your usual login method. If your workspace has extra security or a team login, just follow the prompts until you're fully signed in. Being logged in ensures you have access to all your docs and the permissions you need to edit them. Now, open the Coda doc where you want to add a table. Think about where this table will make the most sense, perhaps in a project hub, a tracking page, or a resource list. Opening the exact doc you plan to work in helps keep your content organized and easy to find later. Once you're in the right doc, click inside the page where you want the table to appear. Place your cursor in the exact spot, above or below existing text, so the table drops in the right location. Make sure you're clicking in the main page area, not in a title or a comment, so Coda knows you're ready to insert content. Now type / followed by the word table on your keyboard, and table. Coda uses this / command to quickly bring up insert options. As you type, you should see a small menu appear with matches. If nothing shows up, check that your cursor is active in the page body and that you type the / first. From the menu that appears, select Table. You may see other options with similar names, but choose the plain table option to create a new blank table. This ensures you're starting fresh and can shape it however you like later. Finally, click Create Table. Coda will insert the table right where your cursor was placed. You'll see a basic grid ready for entries. From here, you're set to start adding information whenever you're ready. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.